got 24 seconds and it's starting right now. Shots like,
guys, we are here at Gourmet. It's gonna be our lunchtime. You guys, this is not backwards. It's supposed to be like this.
I'ma make you go weak for me, make you wait a whole week for me. I see you watching TV, I know you want it, steam it, I know you need it, drug it, you want it on you tonight, I know you want love. Everything good over here? Do you want this like it wants you? No, that booty don't do what it wants to.
I have a slice of the cheap boy.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Now come and get high.
Every second, every minute.
Birthday boy. What did you do?
Can you take control of me? Just wanna love you.
Loyal daw ko. Huwag mo sige, pili mo gilay.
Mo bitaw gingon ni Kim. Late na.
Every time I'm down, you show me that.
My cousin's visitor his birthday. His friends are there. I mean, we're behind. Yeah. Did you want it?
Where's the name? Ako'y one round pa ng plate. You know,
Gusto ko ito, lipstick pero ako ni Matcha.
flipping the bottom or top?
Where's the na yan? Take a picture of us. Yeah, take a demanding. You can just zoom in if you want. Yay!
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday! Purihat nag-ingon lumitel. Hi guys, we're at Walmart because I actually do not know. I think we're gonna try to just taking over the vlog. Yeah, vlog takeover. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Happy 4th of July. We're at Walmart and I don't know. We'll probably trying to buy something here. Yeah, let's like see. Chocolate. Oh yeah, we could go there. We're looking for clothes. This is cute. I would wear this. I want to find something like this. Gonna masud ako. The stripe look good on me. I need a stripe.
Is this your card by any chance?
Oh no. I want to get like a new shirt or something. We're looking for my parents. I can't find them. Have you heard that there's this, we're just getting like cute stuff. Like lip gloss, lipstick. A teacher? I don't want to look like a teacher. I need like my glasses to be like this, Mom. I need new glasses.
Ooh, I like it.
How about this, Mom? Di ba pulihan ang description na ni Mom? Because I don't like the other glasses anymore. Okay? It's like it gets loose really fast.
No, none of these have prescription. Okay,
Oh, no prescription. Hey, Mom. Got her. Thank you, Te. Mom, got her glasses. Show them your glasses.
You like it?
You look good, yeah. Montay na ako. Sorry. Looks so cute. Let me see.
Yeah. Hindi nga nag-extract. Ako manak naman nangasaba na ako. Dali na tati.
Thank you. I want matcha right now. I don't want.
What would you say if a man proposed to you and then you didn't like it?
Labi mo, binigyan ako Pacifico.
And then the girl said no. I'm trying to focus on my.
I want matcha.
It's good. Then drink grass.
I want ice cream.
Then I like my work.
We have ice cream, you guys. Cookies and cream. Cheers. Wait, you finished? That was fast. Oh my gosh.
Did you say a thing to Tinika? Thank you,
Welcome.
But you have a big mouth. You have a big mouth, so why don't you eat it like me?
Ano sama? Look at the line. Nasa lasason.
There's someone.
Hey guys, we're here at Porto.
Yeah, me. Try.
I have sandwich. Oh! Guys, I'm here with my cousin and with the family. We should have like podcast.
I know. And let's just like pick a random topic and we can talk about it.
I know.
Let's talk about it. We're gonna have our mic here.
I feel like it's like really nice.
It's like watching movies, right? That sounds so cool. Like you're just and we can like review the cast, like the hotel while we are talking about a podcast.
I just want to stay here the whole day today. We are here at Porto, so guys, I don't know what you guys are. I need to take, I just got done taking pictures. I'm going to post it later, and I don't know if, never mind. I can't tell them because we wanted to hang out with my cousin, but, you know, yeah, I know. I know.
They always find their own way.
We can never go out. Where? I think they're leaving now, you guys, so we can't get our cold brew. Sadly. I'm trying to go out.